At Jason Hollis Farms today. Got the red 2 washed up. Got a frame horn bent and the whole front end's shifted over. Me and Cody is fixing to go to Lee Ray's and see if we can straighten it out a little bit. I think we can save her. We'll be back.
Well, right now, ain't nothing tying it together but the radiator.
The bumper?
Yeah,
The bumper
barely, that's barely tying it together.
Let's push on it, silver.
I believe it'll all go. What we got to lose?
What are you doing out 4 o'clock leaving, Gina?
All that water just kind of trickling out of there this morning, and I thought, man, I hope we save it, dang. Right there's where it's busted, right there where it meets the neck. Just barely. Johnny hollering.
Yeah, Johnny's on.
He needed some more water on there. He didn't have quite enough. Might save it from kicking. There, everything works. Well, I need my tire this time.
They'll come all the way off, because of the X-brace is in front of the radiator.
Sure are welded up there. We might should have left the pieces of pipe on there, shouldn't we?
Take that bolt out.
Maybe we ought to put some twist in that new car while we at it?
Yeah.
With the porta power?
They have nothing nice no more.
Not around here. Let me get on that other thing. Whoa! Slipped, didn't it? It was moving. Boy, that's creaking. It didn't make near that much noise when I did it.
Did not? Sound like it did.
Must be noisier coming back right. He's building a frame machine.
Yeah. May want to lay a block.
No, we'll just take it off.
Hang on just a second.
Will it, is it enough? Alright, hang on. We're back on this pulley. Saw it jump about a half, 3/4 in.
On that side.
That dadgum steering shaft straight again.
Yeah, but it's supposed to spring back a little.
Yeah, we gotta go past it. How far we gotta go past it?
good bit, probably. Watch the pulley over, Jason.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
Hang on it.
On. Easy.
What kind of well was that?
Golly, it broke our machine here.
Binder on the thing.
I ain't on the pulley.
Nope. I didn't wreck this thing, you know that.
It was a wreck waiting to happen.
Got him.
How do you break it, Daddy?
Elephant went out.
Pink one. The pink one. You didn't see it?
The blue polka dot.
Yep. Man, where'd our paint job go?
I got some spray on.
Hey, don't spray, don't heat over my directions over there. Yeah. Gonna put a point on it where I can hit somebody?
Yeah. Back to that.
They drink them all day long. Figure out how high for the nose to be. Then we can make the fenders work back to it again if they ain't too beat up. Alright y'all, me and Cody made it back to the farm. We got the frame pushed over. Liking what we see there. We found out that the radiator wasn't busted. Thank goodness. That was about the most expensive part of tearing up. It just bent the frame horns in front of the spring bucket, so it wasn't too awful bad. Got it pushed around, started on the front bumper, got the new nose put together. Everybody kind of had to go. Got a few more things we got to do. We'll start on that later, but not as bad a wipeout as we thought it was going to be. Got the 98 shining, looking like new money again. How y'all like that? I sure like that 98. Let's run down here and check on these new blackmouth puppies. Alright, so we started with 11 of them little puppies, as y'all know. One of them was just a super runt. I fed it a bottle for 2 or 3 days and it just one of them deals. I hardly ever raise them all, and it's just one of them cases. I've lost one, got 10. They all look really good. She's doing good with them, so crossing my fingers, hoping we can raise 10 of them. Anyway, I'm about ready to call it a day. If y'all like our stuff, subscribe to us. Hollis Farms. Hats, t-shirts, and stickers. HollisFarms.com. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.